New to straight razor shaving? Here's the right way to start. Step 1. Strop your razor. This aligns and polishes the edge so your shave starts sharp and smooth. Step 2. Prep your skin with warm water or a hot towel to soften your beard. Then apply a nourishing pre-shave oil for added glide and protection. Step 3. Build a rich lather using a shaving brush and shaving soap. A scuttle keeps your lather warm and creamy, cushioning the blade for a smooth pass. Step 4. Hold the razor at a 30-degree angle and use short, steady strokes. Shave with the grain first, then go across or against the grain for a closer finish. Step 5. Don't press down. Let the razor glide. A quality blade does the hard work for you. Step 6. Finish with essential aftercare. Rinse with cold water to tighten your pores, then apply an aftershave to tone, refresh, and protect your skin after the shave. After that, dry your razor thoroughly and store it in a dry place to keep the edge sharp for your next shave.
I love straight razors. If you want to up your toughness, start shaving with a straight razor.
Ready for your first straight razor shave? Learn more at nakedarmor.com and start with our beginner-friendly premium razors.